Hi again, it's Richard from Internet Marketing Test Lab, and I hope you enjoyed the last video, the last WordPress video. I want to do something a little bit different today. I wanted to show you how I actually took the screenshots for the Easy Websites with WordPress report. So I'm just going to scroll down a second and go to one of the screenshots, and you'll see here this is a screenshot that I took from the internet. So it's the sign up now page when you go to wordpress.com. But how did I actually do that? Well, I used a very nifty little software application. It's called Screen Hunter, and I want to show you how to use it, and I also want to give you a link to it. It's absolutely free, no cost, very easy to use. So first of all, let me show you how to use that. So for example, let's say that you were building your own report, and let's just go over and find some images. So I'm over in Google now. I'm in the images section, and let's say that you were writing a book called Learning to Ski. Let's see if we can find some images. So we'll type in ski tricks. And we'll click on search images. And now it brings up all the different images here. Let's see if we can find one that we like. This one looks pretty good. Quite like this one. Let's open this one up. A sec. We'll click on see full size image. There you go, and there's the image there. So what we can do, we can use this this little software application to take our own screenshot. So let's just come down here. You'll see this little hand here where it's got F, and you'll see it's got Screen Hunter. So I'm going to open up the software, and here you've got the work area for the software. So what can you actually capture? You can capture a rectangular area, so you can decide which part of the screen you want to capture. You can capture the active window, which is the active window that you're in, and you can capture the full screen. But what I want to do, I just want to capture a rectangular area. So I'm going to click on that again, and I'm going to click on Capture Now. And now you'll see on the screen, I've got this grid that's come up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the grid over to the picture, and I don't want to take the whole picture, I just want to take a small portion of it. So I'm going to click, hold my mouse down, I'm going to pull down to the bottom of the image, and I'm going to click and just pull to here. And you'll hear that like a camera click. And now it's taken that screenshot of just that section of the image. So I'll click on OK. I'm going to now click Standby, and that will send the software down to my menu bar again. You'll see it's still down here. If I wanted to use it again, I just click on the hand, and it will come up. Okay, the software's not opened up this time. But let's go back. I'm just going to minimize this screen. And I'm going to escape from here. Just give me 1 second. And it takes me back to my desktop. Now you'll see here we've got Screen Hunter and we've got an image. So if I open this up, and there you go, there's the picture. That's the one that we just took the screenshot of. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come down and save this, and I'm going to call it Ski Trick. I need to save it, so I'm going to save it on my computer. I'll just go back up a sec. I'm just going to save it under Richard. So I'll click Save. Okay, now that's saved. So I'm going to close that. And I can come over here. I've opened up a document. It's called Learning to Ski. It's just a Microsoft Word document. So I've just got a heading here, Learning to Ski, and some text. Holidays with family and friends are always great fun. Activities during the day and activities, partying, during the night. One second. Are always great. So now what I want to do, I want to insert the screenshot. So I'm going to insert, click on insert, come down to picture, from file. So now what we need to do is we need to find where we put it, and we put it in Richard. Just 1 second. The video recording software takes a while with me trying to work the computer as well. 1 second. There we go, and you'll see our image here, ski trick. So I'll click on that. And there you go. There's our image. I'll just click on it. I want to put it in the center. Click on that. I'll enter. And I'll type in some text. This is our report about learning to ski. And I'll save the file. And that's it, you're done. Very simple. Great little piece of software. As I said, it's called Screen Hunter. And just down below the video, I've just given you a link to that. As I say, it's just a totally free software. I used it doing the Report Easy websites with WordPress, and you can do the same. I'll see you in a few days, and look out for the next message, and we'll carry on with building your WordPress website. I'll speak to you soon.